Well, one thing's for sure about the Castlepoint Lighthouse is it's always in a state of change. We're up here on day 1039 off the grid, the 9th of November, 2 days after the high spring of 2017. And what do we find? We find these little coffins here. What are these all about? There's two more over there. Here's the lighthouse. So we turn around. What do we got? Well, it's obvious what these are. These are boxes that they're going to mount floodlights in. There's the mounting brackets inside there. There's the tape which they're going to use to pull the supply cables through. Probably would have been easier just to install the cables, but I guess that's the way they do it. I've got to figure out where they're actually coming from, but never mind. So they're going to light this thing up, you know. Well, it's already a lighthouse, but they're going to light it up, you know. Put floodlights on the outside of it. Basically do what they do with the lighthouse in Nelson. Where comes the wind? So, what do I feel about this? Well, it's kind of cool. I mean, they did this on the Centennial temporarily with colour changes. And I wouldn't be surprised if these are colour changes, because I think they talked about it being permanently lit up. I mean, they could install any lighting technology in here. They will be LEDs of some kind, no doubt. The one thing I'm not so keen about is it might kind of pave the way for shutting down the Fresnel lens system upstairs and replacing it with just an LED beacon like they've done in so many lighthouses. Last time I was here on the spring equinox of 2016, I was talking with Jim Foy about it, and well, a slip ring up there that's supposed to have lasted, well, a shear bearing that was supposed to have lasted 10 years has been operating for 30, so they made those things pretty damn well, but when that's worn out there are no spares, so, you know, it'd be easy for someone to say, well, now we've got the tower lit and looking all pretty, it's not so important that the light actually rotates, is it, you know? Well, I don't know. There's nothing quite like a rotating Fresnel lens, especially since they're a rarity in this country now. There's only Castlepoint and Cape Palliser actually operating as registered aids to navigation in that way. But anyway, we're just up here now waiting for light up. The sun's over here, whoa, bright, about to set, so we'll just carry on. Here we are, over Castlepoint, the sun's starting to set behind me. Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Lots of different silhouettes and weird shit going on there, I guess. Yeah, where am I? I can't even see. Hello, there I am. Okay, cool. Yeah, again here at Castlepoint, more of a normal holiday this time, no super lighthouse exposure visits kind of thing.